So we start with an 8-inch bar, we file the ends and we punch mark the center of the bar so to help us get the two halves the same. So the next thing we do is we mark the anvil there 1.5 inches so that we can make the tapers about 1.5 inches, but to have them the same. So we have to make now a round taper at the end of the bar. So the round taper, we do it square first, then we go to octagon and then to round. So now we bend it over the far side of the anvil, bend it down first, and then we turn it over, bending it upwards, and we curl in the end to almost touch the bar. We have a small little gap. So both ends done on the opposite sides, and we're ready now to bend over the horn of the anvil. So I'm marking it there where the inch diameter is. And what I did there was the tip was hot, so I quenched it and then I can tap it there with the hammer. Now while I'm bending it over the horn of the anvil, I'm trying to make sure that I'm hammering over air as much as possible and not hammering the metal into the horn, because that would be forging and that's where you'd get hammer marks. So as we're hammering, we're bending the metal, but we're trying not to squish it. So we compare then one side and the other side and see which one needs a little bit of work, and we go after that. And we also have our center punch mark in the center to help us to know which half is which. So I'm marking my center. I see one half is a little bit bigger than the other half, so I'm going to go after that. So heat it up. I'm going to go after that flat bit, the straight bit, and try to curl that a little bit more. Curve that section, and that'll bring it in to make the circle a bit tidier, matching the other half. So the two circles should be 1 inch internal diameter. The two halves should match each other. It should be flat on the anvil. The two little curls should be matching, and no hammer marks or burns.